Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Let's begin our today's class. Today we are going to learn about the present and the past perfect continuous tenses. In this lesson we will learn about the present perfect continuous tense and the past perfect continuous tense, their uses and the structure. The present perfect continuous is used for actions that began in the past and have been continuing without interruption till the time of speaking. It focuses on the period of time that an activity has continued for, till now. Now, here in this, the action started in the past and it was going on. Continue means it was going on for a long period of time without interruption. Interruption means any disturbance till the time we are speaking about the action. The main focus of this tense is on the period of time. Let's see the example. I have been looking for my wallet all day. Now he was searching for a wallet whole day. So the action started in the past and it was going on for a long period of time. It has been raining since early morning. So it started raining in the morning and it is still going on. Humans have been taming animals for centuries. Taming means using the animals for their personal use. So these are examples of present perfect continuous tenses. The structure for writing: with a singular subject, we will use has been plus the ing form of the verb. For the plural subject, have been plus ing form of the verb. Next is the past perfect continuous tense. It is used to talk about action that started in the past and were still in progress till another time or action in the past. Here in the past perfect, the action will start in the past, okay, and it will be going on for a long period of time. Progress means continue. It was continue till long period of time before the other action started. For example, I had been working on my project till late last night. Kiran had been playing outside till it started raining. So one action had been playing. The action was going on in the past and it was for long period of time till another action started. Till another action means till it started raining. So started raining is another action. So the one action was going on for a long period of time till the other action started. The structure of the past perfect continuous tense is had been plus the ing form of the verb. Negative sentence using the perfect continuous. Now here in this sentences we will use the word like not or never after the helping verbs. Helping verbs like has, have or had. For example, the patient has not been following the diet prescribed by the doctor. If it is positive, then we will not write not. Here we are talking about the negative sentences, so we will write not to write this sentence in negative. We have not been receiving any calls on our landline since we got the mobile. The clock had not been working for days till Dad fixed it. Now using the perfect continuous negatives has, have or had plus not or never plus been plus ing form of the verb. Interrogative sentences using the perfect continuous tense. Interrogative means when you are asking a question. So you can use this helping verbs like has, have or had, and the helping verb been and the main verb will be used after the subject. Let's try to understand this with example. Has Ansh been attending all the classes? In this we have used the helping verb has at the beginning of the sentence as it is interrogative sentence, and we have written subject after the helping verb, that is Ansh, and been is a helping verb again and attending is a main verb. So we will write has Ansh been attending all the classes. So the interrogative sentences in this will start with the helping verb has, have or had, plus you will write the subject and then you will write been plus the main verb and rest of the sentence. Next example, have you been trying to call me? Had you been keeping a watch on the cards when I asked you the question? The formation for interrogative sentences: has, have or had plus the subject plus been plus the main verb and rest of the sentence, and if you have any object. With this we complete our today's topic. Thank you.